هؤلاء والذين ظلموا من هؤلاء سيصيبهم سيئات ما كسبوا وما هم بمعجزين.
My name is Mustafa Twala. I'm a South African. I'm from Pretoria and I'm 16 years old. I came in this masjid 2014 when I was 12 years old. I came here to do hifz. And Alhamdulillah, I completed my Quran 2017 with Tajweed rules. And I thank my Turkish teachers and Uncle Ali because they were supporting me, buying for me clothes, everything, including money. And now Uncle Ali is paying for me school fees in his own high school. I'm doing grade 8, but I'm proud of myself also because I'm good at mathematics. And when you finish Quran, it opens up your brain. So everything becomes easier because Quran is the hardest thing in a school or in the world. So my aim is to become a businessman, and I'm doing economy at school, and I'm good at economy also. And inshallah, I'll reach my destiny, and inshallah, I'll become the person who I want to be. Let me just read some short surahs. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم.
إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا إن للمتقين مفازا
Aku tu pasal itu, aku cakap, aku mau mesti nak